Good morning, fellas. We are back, and we should have a look at this. Goddamn. We are ready to rock and roll, aren't we, Jack? Yes, man, load it up. This is gonna be lit. Dad just got back. I don't know if you can see in there. Ow, it's hot. We're ready to rock and roll. So let's get on the road. SJ chat, bag of ice for the esky, and then we can get going. Yes sir. Roadside, not roadside, road on top of the road essentials. I've got a sugar-free berry Red Bull. Let's go. Jars. What up, gang? Better go for our first spin. I'll put you on my helmet later on. We're going to get some fire, some wood for the fire. Let's trot. What's good, team? That's what I'm saying. What's good? Just got back from mustering sheep. I didn't put the camera on because we sort of got stuck down in the paddock. But I'll put the camera on later and go for a ride. But we had to go get about 300 sheep from that paddock. Bring me to the next paddock, and they were like all over the shop, but we got it done, so let's get it. Yes sir. Is it recording? Yeah. What's up, boys? Say hello to the vlog. Will, say what's up to the vlog. What? Say what's up to the vlog. Hey Nick. Yoza. Go up a little bit. We'll just go here, we'll do Yep. I'll just double check up here. Do something cool for the vlog. Pardon? Do something cool for the vlog. Do something cool. Bro, what can I do cool here? Do a wheelie. Can't wheelie, bro. Do a burnout. What the hell is even that? Yeah, boy. Alright, this is what we're doing. Moving these sheep up there into the house paddock with the boys. Hell yeah, dude. Sun's in a good spot. Alright. Just gotta take it nice and slow, you know? Let them do their thing. Boys kicking back. You know, they've all got electric starts and I've got my little, yeah, you can see that. I've got my Kickstarter because I'm tough, not like these guys. Keep going, stupid idiots. Yeah, bleh. Say what's up to the vlog. Yes.
Perfect. Very good.
Mission success.
Hold on, everybody.
Mission success. Oh, they're ramps. Yeah, I believe so. I was like, what are they doing in there? And I was like, oh, I think they're ramps. Oh yeah, dude. Just got back. Hopefully that was good. Yes, sir. Mission success.
My penis smells.
What
did he say?
On to the next. Hey, Dad. Got some firewood. That's the bro. Yeah, dude. It's great success. I'm actually a sook, bro.
Huh?
I'm a sook.
It ain't got no bumps on it. It ain't got no bumps on it.
just asked myself. Did I clip it? Is the video on? Is it on? Yeah, I clipped it. Frick.
Mate wasn't a...
Did you see that?
Yeah.
I did it for the video.
You don't know yourself.
No, I'm good. That was a soft landing. As long as my bike's okay.
Fun?
As long as my bike's okay. But it didn't turn off, so that was good. Thank you for the concern though. I probably won't do that again. Okay guys, I didn't crash, it's fine. Oh, frick, that hurt. Ow. Did you see that?
I just stored it right in front of me.
I just took my glasses off and they slapped the back of my head really hard. Alright guys, welcome.
Nah, see...
Black Bear Creek. Burnt Bear Creek. This is the crib.
Yeah, nice stands.
Very low. Yeah, thanks. How about race me? Huh?
You stack it, yeah.
No?
What do you do?
I
He
wouldn't,
was trying to be all cool doing like donuts and shit. He's like, boom, take down.
I would never stack it. I know what you're talking about.
I can't wait to watch the video.
You can never swim in this damn hey.
Do it for the
Wait, you both look like bogans.
do it for the vlog.
Oh, don't say that! Nah. Put that away, please.
Never.
I'm gonna try and skim the boat.
Are you my Uber driver?
I'm gonna be on your Instagram.
Uber for Lewis?
I don't want to be on your YouTube channel.
I found these
Video where he fell over.
I found these strangers
He's like 2,000 followers.
in the river.
Excuse me?
Are you from Uber driver?
Found these strangers in the river. Do you guys need some help?
I'm not from Uber driver.
He looks like a local.
I've just checked up here. I'll show you this. Yeet. Sup, boys? Alrighty, chat. It's getting dark. Damn, that's echoing. It's getting dark. I'm just trying to put my helmet on here, guys. Don't worry about me. It's getting dark. Better head back to the crib. And yeah, put a fire on, get a feed, and should be eat swallow. Let's go. Fuel.
Actual?
Yeah.
Did it stop?
Yeah, and it was backfiring heaps. I think I was mucking around too much.
You have fun down here, bro?
Might need a fuel light flashing.
Nah, it says fuel light on for some reason. It's not fuel light.
I might be getting the tow.
Bro's calling out of petrol.
Oh my god, I'm so cold.
I think I'm out of petty. Got any for me? Any siphon? I'll see how far I can go. I didn't know if I'll turn back on. Yep. Have I got reserve down here?
Okay. He's out of petrol!
Wait, we didn't bring you some back.
Probably go get him some, yeah.
Do you want us to bring you back?
Ow, my neck. Yeah, that'd be ideal.
Start pushing.
Just tell the boys.
Get in the buggy?
There's there's a jerry can in the back of my ute. Just in the back of my ute. Just in the back of my ute.
Okay.
Thank you. Hey, can't feel in the can of flow. Kick up shoes, foam on the floor. Whee! Hey guys! Well, we kind of left in a hurry and I didn't know we were doing a full lap.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know how much that was.
Cold to ride. Yeah, look, it is, eh?
But it'll get colder, so.
Do you want to start running? So I'm pretty warm. Look, I wonder if I could roll start it.
Huh? Nah, there's no petrol shooter around that thing. Roll.
Oh shit! I'm out of petty! I don't know if that was a good idea or not. That's probably a bad idea. I'm sure it should be right. I was only using petrol that it had left over. I think I clipped that too, did I? Nah. What up? We're on 4%. But I've run out of petrol, so the guys will be back with some petrol soon. This is nearly flat. My bike's nearly flat. We're cooked. So like we got a gangster. Look at that. That's just. Look at that. That's just beautiful. Anyway, probably see you back at the house. Hope there's a nice fire going. And what do you reckon?
Go to bed.
Go to bed.
Play some poker.
We're getting on it. Oh yeah, poker night.
Who says getting on it when he
We'll
does
see you on the
drink?
table.
I'll take yours. I'll
We're
take
nearly
yours.
flat. Let's go. Peace.
Oh, what?
Thank you guys.
My competition was like,
To the rescue.
Suck up.
my competition was
See you at home. Let's work.
yes, yes.
Yes sir, we made it. Fire's going. Let's go. What's up, team? Hell yeah, dude.
I do the classic one.
We made it back.
Star Wars, like,
And I built my crib over there.
The
I'll give you a tour.
It was like when you finally let your Teddy like win the title.
Welcome to my crib.
Holy
Oh,
moly.
you can't see it. Up to. This is my crib. Got a little matchy. Little mattress under there, you know what I'm saying? Little sheet.
Are you really gonna fit in there?
Hell yeah, dude.
This
is massive. Let's go. Yo, what is up, guys? It's currently like 12:30 at night. Just out here, the fire, from the tent. Got my tent set up. And yeah, about to call it a night. So let's get in. Oh, she's a bit chilly. Probably gonna hit like, that's the dog. Probably hit a few degrees, 3 degrees tonight. But got me doona, got my pants, got my jumper on, so it should be good to go. I don't even know what time it is. It's like probably 1 AM and I've got a friend. Let's go. She's just chilling. She was barking at the sheep, so I called her over. And she wanted to jump in, so good night.